Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming ZTE smartphone, the Axon 30 Ultra, is some specification leaks and some price and color leaks is here. ZTE is expected to introduce the Axon 30 Ultra with a 4 camera, 3 of those having 64 megapixel sensor. The official announcement is next week, but some key feature and specification have leaked on a Twitter, revealing that the phone might be called the Axon 30 Pro Plus or the Axon 30 Ultra and will be true flagship with a massive $1,200 price. So this is the amazing smartphone from ZTE, and also now the ZTE is revealing some other specification. The new smartphone is confirmed that the 4600 mAh battery with a 66-watt fast charging, 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and all the latest flagship-tier hardware on the inside in the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra. So the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra will have a UFS 3.1 storage, DDR5 RAM, but with the company not revealing actually number, we are pretty confident 3 will be multiply choice for the user. So far we have heard about 12 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes combo, but we are also up for a surprise. There is also support for the Wi-Fi 6E, which is neat if the user actually has a router that can work on the frequency. The copy with heat dissipation ZTE has equipped with a phone with a triple I sealed vapor chamber for a liquid cooling, while other hardware specification including dual band GPS NFC and 3 microphones, likely one for talking, another on top for a noise suppression, and a third one in the camera setup for audio zoom and the better focus during video recording. On the software side, the Axon 30 Ultra will have a MyOS 11 on top of Android 11 out of the box. We know ZTE will offer the device in a 4 color, but we will see in upcoming days. So this is the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra. Also the color option is here with some amazing color, but let's see in upcoming days. They will launch in the plan black, white, and some blue color, yellow color, but the ZTE Axon Ultra has a 6.92-inch 1080p by 2000 to 460 pixel camera, and a rumor says it will come with a 200 megapixel equivalent camera, 12 gigabytes basic RAMs, and 64 megapixel back, another 3 cameras. But this is the rumored specification, and it can record 8K video and super slow motion video, 4K, and front is the 44 megapixel f2.0 camera, and it will come in $1,200 price tag. So let's see in upcoming videos. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.